So the first decrease it's gonna be done at 27th row, and we are knitting together 2 and then continue with this pattern throughout the whole row. The following row, it's all knit. The last row, we are gonna close out all the stitches. I personally use crochet hook, and I knit together 2 throughout the whole last row, this way, making sure that I keep them on the crochet hook. But of course you can do any way you prefer. I'm just showing you, you might like it or you might not like it. It's all good, so you do you. And as you can see, we have just a few stitches left, and keep watching because I'm just gonna show you a little trick I do at the end. So now all the stitches are off my needle, they're on the crochet hook, and I'm gonna shape up the crown of this by looping this one stitch through all the other stitches, and then I'm gonna secure it, loop through, I'm gonna tug on it and cut. And now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. See, we are gonna finish by looping this through inside, and then I will just secure it just to make sure. Tuck, and there you go. There you go. We're all done. Now you can add a pom-pom, or you can just keep it without the pom. I think it's very nice. What do you think?